TRB Polytechnic Online English Lecturer Examination Course. Hi, good morning friends. TRB Polytechnic Online Coaching Course. It is of 2022. We are going to start Polytechnic TRB English Lecturer Coaching, and it is a paid course. What we provide is lectures and complete revamped PDF notes will be provided in detailed manner, and online course will facilitate from basics to advanced level of English literature. What is there in the syllabus? We are going to teach everything there in the original text, and then we will ask so many questions later to that. And what we provide: live Google classes, a recording of all classes with anytime access, PDF notes, online quizzes and mock test, and WhatsApp and Telegram group of discussion. What date we are going to start is 4th October, and duration is 5 months of a course, and the classes are of 6 days per week, and 1 day we will conduct the test. And the time is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. because most of the people are working class and they are going to colleges and they are coming back. That's why they are requesting us to take the class in the evening. So we are conducting the class by 8 to 9. And what is the course fees? 15,000. And how to join our course? We are going to pay registration fee rupees 15,000 with the following links given below. Once the fees are paid, it can't be refunded, and please fill the and make payment and submit the form. Here the Google form link is given here. You please click the link. I give the link in the description. You please read those things and then fill the link, and I will show you those links there in the end of the video too. And if you have completed both process, please wait for us to add you in Telegram and WhatsApp group. After filling those things, we will watch you in Telegram and then WhatsApp group. Then our team will verify your transaction, approve your joining request to Telegram group. We will give you all resources and instructions in that group, and it is the sure success at your doorsteps, because this online course will give you sure success in your career and for getting your job. This is the milestone we are achieving. Okay friends, I will tell you how to fill the form. It is here student admission form, terms and conditions. TRB Polytechnic English course will provide students access to videos and study materials on a specific course to their mobile, and they can use only one standard device for joining in this. And we are giving additional instructive programs, quizzes, revisions, tests. All the things would be given there in the single mode of this. And then materials applied to the student is copyrighted. We are copyrighted each and every material, so you are not supposed to give our material or making any duplicate copies, and you should never sell those copies to our others. This is it is like a criminal consequences you will face if you do that. The candidate is given admission on the undertaking of the part of the candidate, so we are solely pursuing the program, and you can choose the program as per your comfortable mode. And next one, the student has to carry a valid identity card while you are coming to this institution. While because if you are coming in a single mode, no, so your face is to be the original thing what you are observing the class. The student is expected to maintain discipline inside and outside our online class, and here we are giving the basis of gender, race and religion, sexuality. These kind of politics are discriminated in our class, so we are not initiating those things there now. So you are in all matters the decision of management and the institution can be final. So while you are joining course, everyone's motto is to get posting. So for that sake, I want your admission process to be smooth, and attend the class peacefully and get the material and try to get the posting as well as possible. If you click the next one, here we are having your name is to be full in detail, and your date of birth, your hometown, your address, your contact number, emergency contact number, WhatsApp number, Telegram ID. You have to upload your recent passport size photo. That is, shoulder should be clear and background should be white or light, like that it would be. And next one, your ID proof, any one of the ID proof you have to provide. Here I given my payment detail, and after paying that you have to click yes and then upload your transaction and then submit. This is the way you have to do your online transaction, friends. Dear friends, why I feel this course would be more useful than other course means I too joined in several coaching classes. What they did is they taught only the summary and then only half of the portion are taken by them. So it is not that much effective for me to clear the exam. So this time I myself decided to take the class. Why? Because we are efficient. We already done a PhD. We know how to read the text. The only thing is we don't have time. We are not having supposed time to read this. But last time I felt that while attending those coaching classes, we ourselves spend our time and make it as an effective one means surely we will be the success rate. That's why I want to spend my time here, and I joined with some of my friends. They said that why don't we start with a class? So it the single 4-member team joined it now as a big class. So those who are interested in joining our class, you may have a chance to join here. We will have a discussion, and last time while we are attending the test our discussion questions came a lot. So this class is discussion oriented too. So once you join we have a lot of discussion. If you want our classes to be bilingual, it is possible. I teach the class both in English and in Tamil too. And then if you want me only to teach in English, we can do that too. So it is based on your request, and surely we have lot of mock test and all the things would be helpful for you to get the posting. Okay friends, surely this course will provide the posting for you. It is a success to your doorstep. It is the only motto we have, and surely we try to achieve that. Okay friends, see you in the next video. Bye.